What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by the legendary 4-State Trucks. That's right, home of the Chrome Shop Mafia. And if you're looking for chrome for your truck, whether it be Peterbilt, Kenworth, Freightliner, Volvo, you name it, they got it, man. Now, we all know that chrome does not get you home, but they also, believe it or not, sell truck parts for if you're having trouble with your engine or your transmission or just a certain part you may need. They even got hoods, man. You know, whatever you're looking for, bumpers, stacks, breathers, lights, you name it, they got it. All you got to do is go over to their website, 4statetrucks.com. Find what you're looking for. And I'm going to save you some money. When you get to the checkout, use the checkout code provider10. That's right, provider10. You're going to save 10% on whatever it is you pick up over there at their website. And yeah, they got everything that you need over there, man. They got some wonderful cleaning products that I've been having a lot of fun with, keeping Black Dog clean. So yeah, head over to 4-State Trucks at checkout, provider10, save you some money, get what you're looking for, get your truck all nice and clean and chromed out in tip-top shape, and get your truck show ready. So whether you're gonna be turning heads at the truck show or just turning heads on the road, they got it for you over there at 4-State Trucks, man. Go check them out. YouTube, what's good with y'all? It's your man Get, back with another video, back with another trucking vlog. Over here at the yard, man, tending to the Bumble Bee. About to go get this thing through the old car wash, truck wash. Take this thing to work for the next few nights. And today I got my man over here with Ram Trailer Repair. And what we doing today is basically doing a yearly annual inspection on my trailer. Haven't been having any trouble or problems with it, but at the same time, running around with them heavy water loads for like 5 months, I figured it would be ideal to go ahead and get everything checked out on this thing, man. Especially being back in California, running around here, they require you to really get this done every 90 days. It's been way over a year since I had an inspection, so I don't want to run into any problems. Also working on getting the Bumble Bee back active with CARB to get my certificate with them as far as running it through that emissions test. But today the primary focus is checking the brakes, checking the suspension, adjusting the brakes, adding grease where it's needed on the slack adjusters and on the landing gear, and let's make sure everything is up to par and in good running condition, man. It's always something you got to spend your money on with these trucks and trailers, and it is what it is. You got to stay in compliance and stay on top of your business so the Johnnies don't be breathing down your throat when they standing on the passenger side, hanging off your door, asking for all your inspection documents and all that. You'll be able to present them. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and show me some thumbs up love. Please consider subscribing. And yeah, man, let's get this stuff tested, man. It's extremely hot today. The weather has been phenomenal here in Los Angeles ever since I've been back home. But I could have actually waited on this until I was getting ready to head back out, but might as well go on and get it done now. Stop wasting time procrastinating a job that definitely needs to be done. I surely hope he doesn't go under here and find anything that is wrong with the trailer. The only thing that I may possibly need, you know, I'm not sure, is some new brake pads, but I still see a lot of meat on them here with the naked eye, so I should be good on that. And yeah, man, check the leaf springs, and yeah, basically making sure those slack adjusters is greased up and everything working properly, guys. It is what it is, man. Truck life. Probably be out here about 20-30 minutes getting this done. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect, leave my truck here, take the Bee home, and see if I can get out there through the night and make a few coins with the Bumble Bee. It's easier, a lot easier maneuvering around the city with the day cab as opposed to maneuvering Black Dog into some of these little tight spaces. Now, if I have to, I will, but this would be an ideal time to go ahead and put this thing back out on the road. So I've been coming out here for the last 3-4 days, starting it, letting the motor run for like 20-30 minutes. Just got through spending about 30 minutes getting the tire pressure back correct. You got to make sure you have that right. Look like he over there under the trailer greasing up the landing gear. And yeah, man, I'm glad I kept his number. It's always good to have a good contact list of people that you need and build relationships with as far as helping you keep your equipment up to good operating standards, man. That's cams, slack adjusters,
the landing gear.
Landing gear, right? Okay, adjusting the brakes, yeah.
Adjusting the brakes.
Yeah.
Inside.
Yeah. I remember that tank right there. I remember that was loose. You tightened that up. Yeah, still pretty good. How those brake pads look to you?
Oh, that
Seem pretty good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, yeah.
they have like.
Still got some life in her.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, cool, cool. That's what I was kind of concerned with. Well, that was good news to hear that the brake pads, like you said, still got a lot of life in them. Thank God, you know what I mean? I mean, it is what it is. Whatever repairs that you got to do to stay in compliance, you got to go ahead and do it, man. But I was not ready to spend any more money than what I've been spending lately on getting Black Dog service. Just dropped down about $1,700 on that truck yesterday, and got a few dollars to spend with carb, like I say, to get the Bee back active. Sure hate this thing looking like this. I hate actually even going to the truck wash. You can see this dirt field when I bring it back. It's gonna get right back like this, but at least with me going to work the next few nights, the Bee will be all cleaned up and get some armor all on this rubber, man. Glad I didn't damage the shoulder on the tires from them sitting so low, which is a good thing. But it's definitely bad for a truck to just be sitting like this. So Bumble Bee, get ready. We got some work to put in the next few nights. More than likely, I'll just end up doing a lot of these little drop-in hooks with Amazon. Got this peak season still going crazy as of now. So I guess that will be the best trailer interchange work to do right now, as opposed to trying to find work where I would need my trailer. It's like the drop-in hook stuff, you know, in and out, drop-in hook, get your money for that day, go kick back, a little 10-hour break, and get back up and do it again. Just don't like the using the trailer with the get loaded today, unload tomorrow, searching for another load, in and out, driving through this traffic. So Amazon is going to be my best option for right now locally with this truck to make it make sense. He was telling me the only thing he did notice is probably need to be getting ready and get prepared to go ahead and change the slack adjusters on the front tandems. He said they're just slipping a little bit. He said I'm still good to go. I told him we'll get that done on the next 90-day inspection. But he said I still got life in them, but they just slipping a tad bit. But now me just knowing that it's a potential issue back there, just to ease my mind, you know, especially hauling around 44,000 pounds of freight, we do not need any slack adjusters going out, you feel me? So I said about $150 for the parts, 1 hour of labor. That's not too bad. hit me upside the head too tough, you know. But yeah, greasing down the sliders on the tandems, fifth wheel, adjust the brakes, greased up the slack adjusters and the S cams, checking the tire pressure. Airline pressure is good, and it's pretty good, man. Bought this trailer used, in 2021 when I started my authority. It's a 2020 trailer. I haven't spent a penny on it, you know, so figure, you know, $200-300 slack adjusted job is not nothing to get too bent out of shape about. He also just taught me something new I didn't even know about this trailer, man. I asked him to check the oil on my hubs, and he had told me that this is a grease hub. Put grease on the hub on this one. So comment down below, man. Let me know about that, y'all. I'm not no mechanic. I'm pretty much green to anything mechanical. I'm learning as I go. Like I said, just found out that the hubs, I don't even have to add oil, because I know I haven't never added any, and you don't want that problem from that running low. But it's not even no oil in there. It's a grease hub. He said as long as I don't start seeing anything on the wheels that would indicate a seal, you know, letting the grease get out and going everywhere, he said I'm good. He said it's a solid trailer. Outside of the little slippage in the slack adjuster, we're good to go, man. See all the new grease that I got here, so we good to go, man. $500 a month, man. You would think they have nicely paved asphalt out here, or at least some fresh layer of base rocks out here, man. Ridiculous, man. Straight dust bowl. I think 500 is crazy. I've been looking at truck parking clubs, 750, 900, some of these places just for parking in this freaking city, man. It's ridiculous. So gotta close my mouth and be grateful I got somewhere to park. Just deal with it. I know one thing, this freaking AC is still blowing nice and cold. That's something else that I put new on this truck. A whole new air conditioning system, compressor. Blowing ice cold in here, man. They said we're gonna be reaching up into the 80s, Southern California next week, so glad that's working. Glad I did everything I did on this truck, man. I love this truck, man. It's a strong truck. Just can't wait till I get me a good, strong driver behind the wheel. We're gonna take care of it the same way I would. Embrace it. And keep this thing rolling, keep these wheels turning, man. These wheels have not been turning at all. Over here showing some love to the Bumble Bee, man. This thing was like covered in mud, man. He fighting it with the pressure washer right there, but definitely overdue. Bumble Bee back clean, man. A clean bee. It's gonna be a happy bee. Happy bee is gonna get some bread to me. Got the old Bumble Bee shining, man. Got that wet rubber. It's Mortimer, the Bumble Bee is back. All right, it's been real hanging out with y'all, man. Show your boy some thumbs up love, subscribe to the channel. Get down in the comments. Yes, sir, Ski. I'll holler at y'all, man. Truck life. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.